Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app, that is Pip Collage app. So by this you can make a picture in collage way very easily. So I will give the link in the description, you can download from there. First of all you have to click here, then you will get here the multiple collage. Okay, so I will select the picture, any picture I will select first, then easily I can use. I am taking Mr. Bean picture. Then you can see that I am using here, and as well as I can use here. So this is very amazing to use, and if you want to click more you can click here more. So this is very amazing app to use your pictures. You may see here, you can select the further pictures. Okay guys, this is very fantastic, and as well as you can do the background change from here. And if you want to use the emojis, you can use the emoji as well. Easily you can use the emoji, and you can change the sides, left to right, right to left. And if you want to write any text, you can write any text. If you are writing for your love, so you can write here for love, and whatever else you want to do you can do easily. So this is very good to use. And if you want to change the picture, so you have to click on plus icon, then easily you can change. And if you want to delete, so you here the delete icon is coming, you can delete by here. And if you want to save this picture, so you can also save this picture easily, you can save by here. Okay guys, so this is very amazing app. Still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.